Dear student, today I will solve exercise 2.5 in polynomial. Question number first. Use suitable identities to find the following product. Given product, first part x plus 4 and another bracket x plus 10. Now we know that x plus a and x plus b is equal to x square x plus b, x plus a and x plus b, x square plus in bracket a plus b into x plus a into b. Now use these identities in here. So according to this identity, so x, this is x, a, this is 4, b, this is 10. So now according to this, so x square plus, so this is a and this is b. So a plus b in bracket 4 plus 10 into this is x. So also this is x plus a into b. So a into b 4 into 10. So x square plus 4 plus 10 14x and 10 into 4 this is 40. So x square plus 14x plus 40, this is answer. And another, now use this formula. So according to this above question you can solve according to this identity. So now change x plus 8 and another bracket x plus also minus 10 use. So since x plus a and x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. Use this identity here. So this is x square plus in bracket 8 plus minus 10 into x plus 8 into 10. So also x square plus in bracket 8 minus 10 into x plus minus, so this is minus 8 into 10, this is 80. And also you can write x square minus 2x minus 80, this is answer. Question number third part of question first. So given first bracket 3x plus 4 and second bracket 3x minus 5. So use identity. So since x plus a and x plus b. So now x square plus in bracket a plus b into x and plus a into b. This identity use here. So now initially we change, so 3x plus 4 and 3x minus 5, so this is plus. So now change positive taken, so 3x plus 4 and 3x and plus minus 5. So now change positive, so this is a and this is b. So use identity. So 3x square and plus a plus b. So now 4 plus minus 5 in into 3x and plus 4 into minus 5. So 3 square 9 x square and plus 4 plus minus minus 4 minus 5. So this is 3x and plus minus minus, so 5 4 20, and also change 9x square, so plus minus 1 into 3x and minus 20. So this is 9x square and plus minus minus 3 into 1 3x minus 20. This is answer. And fourth part, so y square plus 3 by 2 and another bracket y square minus 3 by 2. Since a plus b and a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So this is formula. So identity, a plus b, first bracket a plus b, another bracket a minus b. So a square minus b square. Use identity here. So we write y square. This is a and this is b. This is a, this is b. So y square and minus 3 by 2 whole square. So a plus b, a minus b. So a square, b and b square, and minus taken negative sign. Also a, so y square and b 3 by 2 square. So this is square. So y square, y power 4 minus 3 square 9 and 2 square 4. This is answer. And fifth part, 3 minus 2x and another bracket 3 plus 2x. Since we know that a minus b and a plus b, so a square minus b square. This is identity. So now use this identity here. So 3, this is a, this is a, this is b, this is b. So a minus b, a plus b. Use a square minus b square. Also, so 3 whole square minus 2x square. So this is 3 square 9 and 2 square 4x square. This is answer. And question number 2, evaluate the following product without multiplying directly. Find the value. Find these bracket, their product. So since we know that x plus a and x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. Use this identity here. Now change x plus a and x plus b. So break up into two parts. So 100 plus 3 and 100 plus 7. So this is a, this is a. So this is b, this is b. Or this is x, also change x and also change x according to this identity. So use this identity. So this is x 100 square and plus, so a plus b. So this is x also change a. So a b and 3 plus 7 and into x for 100 and plus a into b and 3 into 7. 3 into 7. So now 103 and 107. So it's split into two parts. So 100 plus 3 and 100 plus 7. We know that identity. Now we know that identity x plus a, x plus b, x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. Now use identity here. So now take x is equal to 100, a is equal to 3, x is equal to 100, b is equal to 7. So now this x, so x square use, so 100 square plus in a plus b into 3 plus 7 into x means 100 plus a into b 3 into 7. Now solve 100 square, so this is 10,000. So plus 7 plus 3 10 and into 100, so plus 21, also 10,000 and plus 1,000 and plus 21. So now solve 10,000 and 1,000. So 0 0 1,000 and 21. So plus, so 1 2 0 1 1. This is answer 11021. This is answer. Second part, given 95 into 96. Without multiply directly, we find the value 95 into 96. So use identity. So split up into two parts. So 90 plus 5 and also into 90 plus 6. Since we know that x plus a and x plus b is equal to x square plus in bracket a plus b into x into a into b. Use this identity here. So 90 square plus in bracket, so this is x, this is a, this is x, this is b. Use this identity. So 90 square in bracket 5 plus 6 and into 90 and plus 5 into 6. So 90, the 9 square 81 and 0 0 and plus 6 plus 5 11 and into 90 and plus 6 5 are 30. So 81 100 plus 11 90 990 and plus 30. So this is use. So 8100 and 990 and 30. So plus, so 0 9 plus 3 12 and 1 carry. So 9 plus 10 plus 1 11 8 9. So this is 1 carry. So 9 1 20. And also this use identity. So split into two parts. So this is 100 minus 6 and into 100 Question number 3, factorize the following using appropriate identities. So question number first, taken first part, 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. So now makes square, so 3x square and plus y square. So plus 2 times of x into y, so 3x into y. So use identity x square plus 2xy plus y square is equal to x plus y whole square. So this is x square, this is y square. So x square y square plus y square 2 times their product. So use this identity here. So 9x square make 3x square and y square y square. So 3x square y square. So their multiple of 2 times and makes 2 into 3 6 x into y this. So use this identity x plus y whole square. So 3x taken and positive sign, so positive and y square. So this is answer. And another second part, 4y square minus 4y plus 1. So use identity x square minus 2xy plus y square is equal to x minus y whole square. So make square. So y square not 4. So this is 2y square makes. So there square 2y square and also y square plus 1 square, and so this is minus 2 times of their product 2y into 1. So multiply 2 into 2 into 1 4 and y. So this is 2y and taken, so this is taken positive, so positive, so negative, so negative taken and 1 whole square. So this is answer. And also third part, x square minus y square upon 100 makes square. So x square minus y upon 10 whole square. So use identity x square minus y square is equal to x plus y and x minus y. So now we can write according to this identity. So this is x plus y upon 10 and another bracket x minus y upon 10. This is answer. That's all. Thank you.